What does this look like?
Saw? It's a chainsaw.
It's a chainsaw, right?
So let me hold it.
No. You can't play with this, alright?
Hi.
This is for people who are 18 and over. Alright? It's only mommy, daddy, not even Hannah.
You said 18. It had us 18.
19 and over.
21 and over. Use responsibly.
Too bright.
Them bright.
We're going to start this vlog with a little unboxing. 2 things that Tina ordered online. I'm going to do this up close because that's how she thought it would have been very big. But to scale, you can see it in my hand, it's not that big of an instrument. It's a sickle. I think it's used for what we do.
Yeah.
Right, so we'll show you how this works. Sorry, I tried to put up the price on it somewhere in the video here so you can know if you want one, where to get it and how much it costs. But the main thing was this mini electric chainsaw, which is portable, cordless, and electric. It looks rugged. The reviews said it was something that would be a good buy. Relative to the needs that we have here, it's like a good starter pack for chainsaw. I guess we could work our way up to actually having something more rugged, something that is gasoline based like we have for the whacker.
Do we need that though?
We could probably. It depends how well this works. So, that's not our unboxing video. ASMR and all these things. So, alright, safety first. What's this, Leila? What's this? You didn't dry face. This is goggles. This is either for safety or for style.
Or for style?
This is the manual, of course, as men. I recognize this as a battery pack, which is similar to what we have for the Milwaukee drill. Excuse me. So the other thing in the box is this adapter for charging, class 2 power supply, and the chainsaw.
And Leila is popping the wrapper. Cut it out.
So these are the tools. Again, it's mini compared to what we have for the whacker, but it's the same. It's like a universal key for any part. Between here and here, you can pull every nut on this. You should be able to.
That's cool. And a little screwdriver.
Right. So the actual chain is, as I said, 4 inches. So it will be interesting to see this going up against all that we have here. Ackee tree, sweet sap tree, sour sap tree,
cherry tree, which is tough.
Tina had in mind a guava tree as well. So we're going to see. I don't know if it has any charge. Later, take up that piece in case I need it later.
Nathaniel, where did it fling where? Just in case.
So you know, get ready. Put one in the magazine.
Hey.
And where's the power switch? Let's take a look at the actual device first.
Alright.
So the brand is Saker, and it's pretty. It feels pretty good. It's a decent weight, and it looks nice. Nice, firm, really sturdy build. Yeah.
Teal.
Nice, firm, sturdy build, and I'm excited to see how this chainsaw does, not because something is bigger means that it will work better. So something in a good size can actually get the job done. I can tell this as a keyboardist. I've seen one of my good friends, Al Kermit himself, walk with a keyboard. You know, you have those big keyboards that are like, giant, and you go from here to way over there. So, and the keyboardist does okay with it, but then I've seen him use a keyboard that is like probably a foot and a half in length, in width, from first key to next to last key, and he has worked wonders with it, and people would have come around thinking it's, for example, an organ sound, thinking it's a big organ, and they're like, what are you using? And he's like, well, just this here. So not because it's small, I think it can get the job done. And I am anxiously ready to test. I'll make Tina do it for
Let's
me.
test
It's
it
Tina
on.
order, make Tina do it.
No.
I'm just trying to figure out how to turn this, honestly, how to turn it on.
Doesn't have a power button.
It feel like it should be this, but this may be for the throttle. No, this should be for the throttle.
Maybe now is a good time to consult the.
I'm going to look in the manual just for the power button, that's all.
Bye. All of these people here
I smell lemon.
have the cold.
Lemon.
You smell lemon?
Yes.
That's good.
Smell like lemon.
Yes, you should have made some tea. I can make some tea
You
for.
actually identify that smell?
Yeah.
You know lemon smell.
I don't know, but you know, my baby them smart, you know, what you think? Right, Eva? Smart girl. You smell it. Smell like lemon? It's called lemongrass.
Lemongrass?
Yes, or fever grass.
Fever grass?
Yes, because it's good for fever. And gets cold too. And the whole of who sick with cold. All of them. And even Hannah now.
Honestly, I don't say anything about that. So let's figure it out on that one. Yeah, I'm thinking it's not fully charged, so I'm going to set it to charge and we will meet back up later. You know, this song just come to me when I editing, so don't take it too serious. Listen to this. We're going to Williamsfield. We're going to buy some trees at the Department of Forestry. We're going to Williamsfield. Yeah, look, some lychee, some java apple and poetry too. And if them have any bloomer, then guess what? We'll take a couple. And you know, level. So where are we today?
Where we say we are?
People are going to ask about your arm.
My arm? Oh. Well, we're at the Forestry Department in Williamsfield, Manchester. And about my arm,
It wasn't me. She heard it up. She's had a problem for a couple of weeks now. Oh, I'm the one talking. She's had a problem for a couple of weeks now. Not sure where it originated from.
it was originated from me doing work in the yard using
Allegedly.
a lopper to trim a tree, and then I started doing creating my food forest and was using the pickaxe to like dig the holes for the fruit trees and dig swales and things like that, and yeah, hurt myself.
It's not broken. It's just
No, it's
to support.
a strain
what's
in my
going on there.
shoulder. Look at the rooster, guys.
So we're at the forest department in, as she said, Williamsfield, Manchester, trying to get some additional trees for our place. But it's on that side. Okay, so we'll come back. So we're going to bring back some trees for you, okay? Bye bye. Which ones are these?
But we bought I like you from here before. From here?
Not
No.
here. In Kingston.
Kingston.
We don't have lighting, but I know a lady works here and I'm here to help her at the moment.
Miss Eula, you have lychee? Huh? What?
Alright, just for the update, this is the budget. Here we go.
Give me the lychee budget.
So if I get lychee, what would we need? 1 or 2?
2, man. We can't take 1. Suppose it don't work out.
Alright, so let's go to $6,000. For 2 lychees, $4,000. Oh wow, alright.
Because we can.
No, we have jackfruit already. No,
But I wanted a second jackfruit tree, but I can try to sprout it from.
I don't think we need that right now though.
No, it's not urgent. You wanted to try another
Leave it alone.
pomegranate?
Not really.
You don't want? Is one of the apples you want to try?
Yeah, the apple and the one in the mountain sap and them thing there.
Mountain sap is something like sweet sap. Custard apple?
Oh, I don't
Are
like
you
that.
sure? I'm not really into
I'm
that
not.
either.
I'm not. I don't even know what a custard apple is, to be honest, because I've never eaten it.
You okay? The Suriname try, that's interesting.
Yes, I would
Particularly
love to try
interesting.
that. I wouldn't mind trying that. I would like a small tree that can over by the garden, vegetable garden. Yeah, I would love to have something else.
So what Tina research is the taste of this based on other people's reviews. Right here feels extremely foresty. It feels like the forestry department. When we went to Kingston, it never had this canopy kind of feel. It's shaded, very windy. I mean, it's Mandeville farm, just outside of Mandeville. And it's hilly, so you can't really compare, but I love how it feels. It feels like nature. Just right around. This is our new favorite forestry department. Location.
Okay, so the Suriname cherry is sour.
It's sour. Cherries are sour. Cherries are supposed to be sour.
No, you know I've had cherry that sweet.
Wow. Look at this shot. You've had 3 cherries?
Yeah, I have. Okay, so let's go with the no, let's bring it so I'll keep it. So you don't want to you say you don't want to try the pomegranate? The guava.
If they have guava.
You'd go
We didn't
with
plant another guava
We
already?
did, the one with the pink inside.
So I don't think we need guava again.
You don't want to try another one?
Not really. I'd have really loved the Java apple. Because they look interesting, but she said she don't have any, right?
Right.
But she should have Ribena, but we already have a tree.
No, so we're here getting mostly ornamental. We planted a June plum tree this morning.
And 2 lychee is a big deal,
Yes,
you know.
so the lychee, we are good with the lychee.
Right, and the cup bloomer hose and the food.
Yeah, I think that's a good buy.
Yeah, nothing wrong with that.
Yeah.
The place not running away.
Yeah.
They have any more special something come up, can know.
I think this is a pomegranate right there.
Which one? Oh, you're right here. Oh, them just come, them go quick. Oh, you say you have 3 leaves? 2? You know, I might 2 them here, man.
Yeah.
Careful, watch your step.
Me.
Who else wants to go and help Daddy? Watch your step, okay? Watch your step. Watch your step. You want to go? Or are you staying with your little friend? Found a little friend. You have the Sweet Delight pineapple. Hear me. Pomegranate. What kind of pomegranate you have? The one with the pink inside?
So these are the 4 bloomer hose. They have the new friend over there.
Here are the yellow peas.
These are yellow peas. You give me a couple of them, please. Stop it.
500.
2 for 500?
No, 1 for 7.
Oh man, that's fine. No, I trust you.
Where are you going?
Okay, and
We don't know if
you said you had the guava
the ones over
and the pomegranate. Ready to go now? Tell your friend bye-bye. Come, let's go, guys. think we'll be alright.
It should be okay. We're not going far.
I want to give my sister.
Does it look okay?
Yeah, this one look a little funny. What are you talking about? My sister. Now we're ready to go. Please don't lock it up on the trunk. All right.
Well, for the moment we've all been waiting for, try out this chainsaw. This is the first tree that we're going to try to live up with it.
Wow. That was very quick and very easy, wasn't it?
It's not the tool, it's the man behind the tool. You know what this reminds me of? This tool is so small and yet it is able to pack so much punch. You would underestimate it and think that it would not be able to do what it has done in cutting the trees so nicely. And it reminds me of in Exodus where Moses was given this giant task to get God's people out of Egypt, and he was saying, well, God, they're not going to believe me. I can't talk properly. When I go, how are they going to know that you really spoke to me? And God asked him a question, what is it that you have in your hand? And he said, it's a staff. And God did signs and wonders with the staff, turning it into a serpent and all of that. In other words, whatever he had in his hand, the hand of God was able to move and work through it. So even though what you're doing, you know the saying, little is much when God is in it. No matter your small sacrifice, your small movements, your small progress, if it is directed by God, it will pay off. It will have a big impact. Just remain steadfast. And another funny story that came to mind about just how the hand of God moves in a powerful way. I remember one time, I don't know if I told you this story before. When I was in high school, my friends and I were walking to half a tree, and we were confronted by a group of young men, and they approached each of us. It was about 4 of us walking, and there were 4 of them, and each of them came to one of us with a knife, and they started to, hold us up and try to get our little belongings from us. And I remember one of them saying, like the leader of the gang was saying, stop, leave them. So, like him brethren asked him, why? Him say, Smiley go to church, man. Smiley would have been one of my friends and one of the guys who were robbing us recognized my friend from his same church, which is a whole other series of questions. And how did it end up this way? But one of the robbers identified one of my friends from the same church that they got to together, and we were spared. And in that moment, we don't know what could have happened. As simple as it is, you don't know how it could have ended up otherwise if God didn't go before to make sure that, let me be in the midst and let me just make sure things are okay with the guys here. So this week, let's be keen on the move of God. Let us be diligent, obedient, and I speak to you as I speak to myself, sorry, I speak to you. Let us be diligent, obedient, disciplined, and allow God to multiply the work of our hands. So neighbors, I'm wishing you a great week, and every obstacle that presents itself must bow to the power of God, to the hand of God. Alright, so until next time, big up from me, new chainsaw, and the rest of the house. Bye bye.